Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, today's video is very important. In this video, I will teach you how you can remove unwanted objects from your image. This is a very good skill. Sometimes we need a photo, but the photo is very messy and there are many unwanted things we want to remove. So in today's video, I will teach you how you can remove these unwanted images from your image. So you can also sell this service on freelancing platforms. So first of all, we will go to Fiverr and let's see that is there is a demand of this skill or not. Like I write here, remove objects from photo. So as you can see, there are 18,162 services available. Means this is a very high demanding skill. So as you can see, let's open this gig. If you don't know about Fiverr, Fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platforms right now, where you can sell your services and people pay you for your service. After that, I will flawlessly remove unwanted objects or people from photos. As you can see, he removed this, and this dog from here, and this is the after. We can also remove this. I will show you in this skill part. So in basic package, he charged $5 and only one image. Standard $10, two images. Premium $20, three five images. So this is a good skill to work on. And you can also analyze his gig, but do not copy his gig. Watch my previous video in which I tell you about a best copywriting tool, so you can write your Fiverr gig description from there. The tool name is copy.ai. Watch my previous video for this. So let's get started, and our freelancing part is over, and let's go to skill part. So the website name is magic eraser dot io. So I think magicstudio.com. Yes, remove unwanted things in seconds. They change their website name. Firstly, their name is magiceraser.io. So upload picture here. I downloaded two pictures, and we will do. So guys, I want to remove this tab. Uh, I want to remove these speakers. So I erase, and it takes some seconds, and you can see the speaker are removed. And I also want to remove this one. So this erase. You can also change the size of brush for better, and also zoom the image for the clear. So next thing I want to remove is this pot. So I click on brush and select this spot and press erase. And as you can see, the pot was gone. And now I also want to remove this teacup. So I select this one and that's it. Click on erase, and you can see the cup was removed. And the final thing I want to remove is this pad, this tab. and as you can see, the tab is gone. So guys, in this way you can remove the unwanted objects from your image, and that's it. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. So guys, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.